Everyone, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to solve this. The integral of exponential x cos x dx. Alright, so how can we tackle this? Alright, so let our u equal to what? Sine x. Let our u equal to sine x. Alright, so our du will be equal to what? Cos x. Alright, because if you take the derivatives of sine x, you're going to have cos x, definitely. Alright, so now the integral of exponential sine x cos x dx will give us the integral of exponential u du, because our cos x here is our du, so our u is sine x, so our exponential sine x is represented by what? U. Alright, so this will give us plus c, because the entire integral is not definite, so you add a constant c to it. Alright, so this will be equal to, now integrate sine exponential u, you have exponential u. Now integrate du, you have what? 1. So exponential u multiplied by 1 will give you exponential u plus what? C, plus c. Alright, so what is our exponential u? We say our u is what? Sine x. So this will give us the exponential of what? Sine, our u is what? Sine x plus what? C, as our final answer. Alright, so we have another problem. What is the integral of x squared exponential x to the power of third dx? Alright, so let u equal to x to the power of third. Alright, so our du, taking the derivatives of u with respect to x, our du will be equal to, differentiate x to the power of third, you have 3x squared. Remember the general rule of integration: you multiply it by 1, you subtract the power by 1. Okay, you multiply it by the coefficient, you subtract the power by 1. So the coefficient of x is 1, you multiply 3 by 1, you have 3, and you say 3 minus 1, you have this. Alright, so this will give us what? Alright, we have found our u and we have found our du. Alright, so this will give us the integral of x to the power of second, x squared exponential x to the power of third dx will be equal to the integral of x squared exponential u, alright, exponential u, then du over 3x squared. Alright, over 3x squared. So this will go with this, s squared will go with s squared. Alright, so we are left with the integral. You are left with the integral of exponential u du over what? 3. Alright, from here how arrive at this point. So this go with this, so we are left with du over what? 3. Now if you integrate exponential u, you have exponential u. If you integrate du you have 1, so indirectly you are seeing 1/3 here. So 1/3 here is constant, so we factor it outside. So this will give us 1/3 to the integral of exponential u. All right, plus what? C. And I told you earlier why we are using plus c, because the entire integration is not definite. All right, so at this juncture, what are you going to do? So this will give us 1/3, or 1/3 multiplied by exponential u will still give you exponential u. So in order not to procrastinate the solving, we'll just substitute the value directly. So this will give us 1/3 multiplied by exponential u will give us exponential u. But then our value of a u is what? The value of u is what? Let's trace back. The value of u is x to the power of 3rd. So in place of this u, we are going to put what? X to the power of what? 3rd plus what? Plus c, which is our final answer. This is our final answer. All right, we have question 3. What is the integral of x exponential x to the power of 2nd dx? Which I believe you can pause this video and try solving it yourself. All right, so let our u equal to what? S squared. All right, so taking the derivatives of x squared, which is going to be our du, will be equal to what? 2x. Like I told you before, multiply this by 1, this minus 1. So multiply this by the coefficient, which is 1. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So x to the power of 1 is just x. There's no need of writing 1 here. Okay, so from here we have du is equals to 2x dx. Alright, so making dx subject of the formula, you can say your dx is equal to what? Du over 2x. Alright, so this the integral of x exponential x squared dx will be equal to the integral of x exponential u, because we replace x squared by what? U. So in place of x squared we put our u. So in place of our dx, I will say our dx is what? Du over 2x. So this will be equal to du over 2x. Alright, so at this juncture, I'm seeing x here, I'm seeing x here. Alright, so I can just cancel these like terms. So I am left with what? The integral, of exponential u du over 2. This exponential u multiplied by du over 2. Alright, if I integrate exponential u, you already know I will have exponential u. And if I integrate du here, I will have 1. So indirectly, I am seeing 1 over 2 here. And 1 over 2 is what? Constant. So I will factor it outside. So this will be equal to 1 over 2 to the integral of exponential u. Alright, so this will be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by exponential u will give me exponential u. Now putting back the value of u, I will say the value of u is what? X squared. So this will give me 1 over 2 exponential x squared plus what? C. Plus c. Don't forget the plus c is very important, because the entire integration is not definite, and that is why we are using plus c. I already told you, and I am repeating it verbatim so that you will not make the mistake. So the answer is 1 over 2 exponential x squared plus c as the final answer. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate. Keep on watching. Don't stop learning. Who stop learning? Stop learning. Thank you.